Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Aria Vision. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a really simple intro which you set at the beginning of this video. The first thing that you have to do, just go to this website panzoid.com. Okay, and once you're here, as you can see that there's a lot of templates or pre-made intros that you can customize it, change the text, the colors or whatever you want. But I'm going to show you guys the one which I've created. So I'm going to click here on top. That's the one which is Netflix. So I'm going to click on Netflix. Okay, and just here, a simple thing that you need to do, just click on Open in Clip Maker, and it will actually load the project and open Clip Maker. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, change the resolution that you want. In my case, I'm just going for very simple 2K. I'm not going for 4K. Okay, right. From here you can just set, so choose the frame rate and the length of the clip of the intro. Okay, the scenes you can change here the background, how and the blocks, the darkness, how. But I think that is something that in today's video I'm just show you guys really simple. I'm not going to do any more customization, but just some of the text. Okay, okay, the first thing that's very important, just click here and then the text. That is a text that it was showing before Netflix. So you have to change that on the name of your channel. So in my case, I will be changing that to the name of my channel, and I'm also going to change the fonts and the size. You can change the size of the font as well and the thickness. But as I mentioned before, I'm going to leave everything. So you can also change the position, the appearance, and how you want to. There's a lot of them here. Okay, but I'm not going to change that. So you have to change all the texts. Okay, because it will be also otherwise it will be Netflix, for example. Okay, so let's change the font back. Okay, so here as well. Okay, so let's change it. Okay, so that's it. We are actually done. That is actually the wires. You can change that one as well, the thickness of them. But as I mentioned, we are not going to do that. Okay, FX. You can just add some FX. I've tested that before, but I didn't like it. But maybe if someone liked it, you can just still use it from here. Okay, you can just add some camera animations. This camera angles will be like changed, but we are not going to do that either. All right, so that is very important. So make sure that the audio they are using on that intros, maybe it is already copyrighted. Okay, so you don't want to use that. So I've already created one audio for myself, or actually use it and actually made it for 30 seconds. Okay, okay, so that is the audio. And let's test the clip and the audio itself. Okay, because that is something that I want to show you guys. Okay, so let's check it together. Okay, did you guys notice that actually the audio was fading in and fading out? And that is because the clip was made like that, or the intro was made like that. And you have to just click here. Okay, you can't see the audio. Okay, come on, load up. Okay, and that is actually the part that you have to delete it, and then your audio will be not fading in or out. Okay, so you can also simply just delete from here as well. But anyway, that's the way that I have just learned, and I will show you guys. So let's test that again. So basically we are actually done. So the only thing that we have to do is just actually download it, render it and then download it. Okay, so the simple thing is just click here, download. From here, choose the mode, I think fastest render, or just I will leave them on balanced. The format, that is important, which format you want. Okay, webcam format or MKV, so I'm leaving on that one because I've used it. So start rendering. On that point, I will be skipping some of the part because it's taking some around 2 minutes. So once it's done, I will show you guys. So it's as you can see that it's now showing 8 minutes, but it's much quicker. Okay, as you can see that the rendering process is finished, so now we can just download our video. Okay, so click on download the video. It will load up, and also thank you for using Penasite. You download the starting. Yes, I know that. So it is nice. Okay, let's open up the clip, and then we see it. Okay, so okay. Okay, so I think it looks very nice, guys. So that was actually a very simple animation, or actually, sorry, a very simple intro. So if you got any question regards this intro maker, please don't forget to comment in the section below, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much, and have a good day.